Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be solving a question on sum and product of the root of a quadratic equation. Now, the root of a quadratic equation 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0 are alpha and beta. Find alpha minus beta. So we are solving for alpha minus beta. Solution: alpha minus beta. So before we expand our alpha minus beta, let me get alpha plus beta, and we all know that in the root of a quadratic equation we only have alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. Now let's solve for alpha plus beta and alpha beta, then expand this. 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. Divide all through by the coefficient of x squared over 2 over 2. Then we have x squared plus 4x minus plus 2 minus 5 over 2. Then alpha beta will be the constant, which is minus 5 over 2. Alpha minus alpha plus beta will be the coefficient of x, which is 2. Then alpha plus beta will be equals to minus 2. So how can we expand alpha minus beta to alpha plus beta and alpha beta? Now let's do alpha minus beta squared. Let's see if we can get. Now alpha minus beta alpha minus beta, alpha minus beta. Alpha times alpha is alpha squared. Alpha times minus beta is minus alpha beta. Beta times alpha is minus alpha beta. Minus beta times minus beta is plus beta squared. This one can come together. Alpha squared plus beta squared minus alpha beta minus alpha beta is minus 2 alpha beta. So what is alpha squared plus beta squared? I've solved alpha squared plus beta squared in my previous video. You can check that out. So I won't be expanding this one in this video. You can check my part 2 video on sum and product of the root of a quadratic equation to get alpha squared plus beta squared. Alpha squared plus beta squared equals to alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta. That's alpha squared plus beta squared. Then we have minus 2 alpha beta here. So now be equals to alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta will give minus 4 alpha beta. That's alpha minus beta squared. Now we can bring this square to this other side. It will turn to square root. To be equals to alpha minus beta will now be equals to square root of alpha plus beta squared minus 4 alpha beta. Now we can have that alpha minus beta equals to the square root of alpha plus beta squared minus 4 alpha beta. Let me do that. My alpha minus beta, let me continue here. Square root of, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is minus 2 squared minus 4 times, what is alpha beta? Alpha beta is minus 5 over 2, minus 5 over 2. Will now be equals to minus 2 times minus 2 is 4. Then 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Minus 2 times minus 5 is 10 plus 10. Alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta will now be equals to square root of 14. So let's stop it. Alpha minus beta is equals to square root of 14. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on your notification so you can always get notified whenever I upload new video.